Hello, today we are taking a look and reviewing this 1500 watt heater. Okay, my friends, so it comes with your remote, your manual, and your little foundation stand. Make sure you remove the plastic piece off of the unit. For these pieces, you just simply interchange them and lock them in place. There's no screws or anything for this piece for right now. What you'll do is you'll feed the cable now through the hole like this, and then once you have it completely through, line up your bracket and it's going to look like this. And then what you could do is you could feed this cable right through here out the other end, so it's going to come out right through there, and it's going to look like that. And then take the screws that are found in the bag, take the screws and put them through the holes. It should be lined up. Make sure your main power is turned on. Once everything's connected, this is what it's going to look like. Now for the fun part. Go ahead and turn the power on. It's going to tell you the temperature of where it's at right now. So in our house, it's 62 degrees. We can turn on the flame, which is so amazing. I find it just amazing. Once it gets dark, it's going to look so beautiful. I love this feature. And you know, people who don't like it, they can just turn it off. It can oscillate. So so there we go. So you can turn the oscillating on, and it slowly just spins. You can go ahead and set the temperatures, different modes. So this is just fan. Turn on some heating modes. Turn off the fan and all that fun stuff. You can adjust the timer, which is right up there, and also the temperature. So you guys can see how high it goes. 93, 94, 95, and 50. So you can have it as cold as 50 and as hot as 90. And it definitely heats up very quickly as well. Overall, you're going to love this. These are some of my favorite space heaters. They're really nice looking, and they function very well.